The travel addicts discover the traveler in you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द ट्रैवल एडिक्ट्स। तो आज ये मेरा पहला ब्लॉग है जो कि मैं शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ एंड माय वेरी फर्स्ट एंट्री टू द यूट्यूब कम्युनिटी। एंड इन माय वेरी फर्स्ट ब्लॉग आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस यू विथ माय व्हीकल। So this is my vehicle, as you all can see. So basically right now I have bought one car dash cam and I will be installing this dash cam in my car. So I'll just show you this dash cam. So this is the dash cam, the Qubo. So it's from the Hero group. So I'll be installing this dash cam and I will take you to the entire process that how am I installing it in my Nexon. So this is basically the Nexon XZS Plus model and I will be installing it. So let's check first what is there inside this box. So its features, it has a 1080p full HD recording, then it have the low light performance, SD card support which supports up to 256 GB, then we have the Wi-Fi compatible, so it has basically a mobile app, then we have the parking mode and it is a wide angle view. Now what's inside the box? The Qubo SmartCam Pro, car charger, one pry tool, one warranty card, one mini USB cable and double-sided adhesive tape. Okay, so just to let you know that this SD card is not available with this Dashcam Pro and you have to purchase it separately. So I've already purchased it and I will show you which model I have taken. So now unboxing the cam. So this is the very first item is the car charger. As you can see, this is the Qubo and it has two ports. As you can see, one is written as the Dashcam 2.0 ampere and the other is for the 1 ampere. Next we have this Dashcam. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Dashcam. It has the lens over here, this is the adhesive tape, then this is the power point and this is the place where the micro card is inserted, and in the opposite side this is the power button in the center and we have a light indicator around this power button. So I'll just show you the memory card that I have purchased. Okay, so this is basically Samsung Evo plus 256 GB. This is the memory card and not all the memory cards are compatible with this device, so just have a check from Amazon's page. So all the details are given, which are the company that are getting supported, and then purchase it accordingly. So I will just insert the card. Okay, now it's done. Now let me see what else is there inside. Okay, we have the car charging cable. So this is basically the USB cable. As you can see, the length is approx around 3 meters. Then we have this pry tool over here. This will help me to install the cable within the car dashboard. Then we have this quick start guide and the QR code for downloading the mobile app. Then we have this spare adhesive for fixing the camera in case of emergency. So now I'll get inside the car and start the installation process, and I will show you how the entire process is getting executed. So the installation is now complete and I will show you how I have done it. So this is the cam just in the center of the windscreen, and you can see the cable coming right up over here and then straight going like this, and from this it has come down straight and then through the within this cabinet I have pulled down the wires and finally I have got it connected at the charging point. So I will just drive my car once in my locality and I will show you how the recording is getting done with the help of this camera.
Recording started.
फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को दिख रहा है अभी कैमरा इंस्टॉल हो गया है और मैं सिटी राइड के लिए निकल पड़ा हूँ। एक्चुअली मौसम थोड़ा बिगड़ गया है यहाँ पे रायपुर में। एक्चुअली इट्स नया रायपुर, तो पूरा बारिश ही बारिश और अंधेरा भी होने जा रहा है थोड़ा देर में। तो ये व्यूज़ आपको देख रहे हैं और जो मेरा वॉइस आपको सुनाई दे रहा है, तो ये बेसिकली कैमरा का रिकॉर्ड से ही रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है अभी। तो आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि इसका क्या क्लैरिटी है वॉइस का। आप लोग देखते रहिए, मैं आप लोगों को और थोड़ा सा दिखाता हूँ पूरा सिटी में और कैमरा का क्या व्यू है। और ये 1080p एट 30 fps का फ्रेम्स पर सेकंड पे रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है। तो फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग ने देख लिया है कि आज क्यूबो डैशकैम प्रो उसका क्या वीडियो का क्वालिटी है और वॉइस रिकॉर्डिंग का भी क्या क्लैरिटी है। सो विद दिस आई एम गोइंग टू एंड माई ब्लॉग। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर माई नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग।